What is laser engraving in CNC processing? Laser engraving is a non-contact machining process that uses a high-energy density laser beam to generate localized heat on the surface of a workpiece, causing the material to melt or vaporize instantly and form the permanent mark or pattern. It's widely used for surface treatment of metals, plastics, glass, and composite materials. In my production experience, laser engraving is commonly applied to stainless steel parts, aerospace components, and electronic products for both identification and decorative purposes. Unlike traditional mechanical engraving, it requires no physical tool contact and produces no mechanical stress, making it ideal for industrial with strict precision and appearance requirements. Typical processes include carbon dioxide laser engraving, suitable for wood, leather, glass, and some plastics. Fiber laser engraving, commonly used on metals such as aluminum, stainless steel, and copper. Ultraviolet laser engraving, which operates at a shorter wavelength and is ideal for fine structures and high-precision parts. In terms of performance, laser engraving can consistently achieve dimensional accuracy within plus or minus 0.01 mm and surface roughness between RA 0.6 and 1.6 micrometers. According to ISO 9001 and RoHS standards, laser engraved parts offer stable long-term performance in corrosion resistance, wear resistance, and traceability. Therefore, laser engraving is more than just a marking process. It's a key technology in modern manufacturing that enhances precision, aesthetics, and traceability.